What's up, fellas? Let's talk about something we all love, looking good. Because let's face it, we all want to feel confident, stand out, and leave a lasting impression wherever we go. But, let's be honest, sometimes picking out outfits feels like solving a Rubik's Cube. You stand in front of your closet and nothing looks right. So, in this video, I'm going to give you fashion tips and tricks that are simple, stylish, and will make sure you're always dressed to impress, whether you're heading to a party, a date, or just chilling with your boys. No more awkward "what do I wear" moments, we've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll be a fashion pro with confidence through the roof. Before we get started, like, comment below with your favorite fashion trend, and of course, subscribe so you never miss out on more awesome style tips, tricks, and hacks. Let's dive right in, and trust me, this is going to be epic. Yo, check this out, I'm ready to slay the day. What do you think of this? A mix of tropical vacation vibes with a hint of I don't care, but I still look good. Okay, no. We'll leave that for the beach. Let's get serious about this fashion game. The foundation, building your wardrobe. First things first, let's talk about building a wardrobe that's both functional and stylish. You don't need to have an endless supply of clothes, just the right pieces. 1. The basics: t-shirts, jeans, and hoodies. Every guy needs some basic pieces in his wardrobe that can be mixed and matched easily. Plain t-shirts, well-fitted jeans, and a stylish hoodie should be your go-to. Let's start with t-shirts, don't sleep on them. You don't need 50 different graphic tees. Go for simple, solid colors like black, white, gray, and navy. These will go with almost anything. When you feel like mixing it up, throw in a patterned t-shirt, but keep it subtle. And let's not forget about jeans. Here's the deal: if your jeans are too tight, you'll look like you're trying to squeeze into a pair of painted-on pants. And if they're too loose, well, we're not going for the "I'm living in the 90s" look. Go for slim-fit jeans that complement your body type. If you're tall and lean, you can pull off a slightly tapered look. But if you're shorter, go for a straight leg, it'll balance things out nicely. Why we all need the right fit. Yeah, guys, if your jeans are so tight you can't sit down or bend over without fear of ripping them, it's time for a new pair. And on the other hand, if your jeans are so baggy you can fit a whole second person in them, no, just no. 2. The power of layers, jackets and button-ups. Layering is an easy way to take your outfit from basic to next level cool. A bomber jacket or a denim jacket adds edge, and it's perfect for those transitional weather months. Button-up shirts are also a great way to add class. You don't need a whole closet full of dress shirts, but a few button-ups in solid colors or simple patterns like plaid or stripes can make you look effortlessly stylish. The trick is in how you wear them. A shirt jacket over a tee or a chambray shirt paired with chinos is an awesome, laid-back look that says, "I got style, but I didn't try too hard." The overlayer. Alright, guys, pro tip: layering is awesome. But if you end up looking like a human burrito, it might be time to peel off a few layers. Don't be that guy. Accessories, the small details that matter. Next up, let's talk about the small details, because in fashion, the little things can make a big difference. 3. Watches. A touch of Class A watch can be a game changer for your outfit. You don't need a Rolex to look stylish, unless you've got the budget, in which case, more power to you. A simple leather-strapped watch or a clean minimalist design can add a polished finish to almost any look. Watches not only look stylish but show that you pay attention to the details, and trust me, people notice. 4. Shoes, always pay attention to your footwear. No, you can't rock sneakers with everything, even though they're comfortable. Shoes are crucial because they either elevate your look or bring it down. If you're dressing casually, white sneakers or Chelsea boots are your best friends. But if you're going for a more formal look, some sleek Oxford shoes or Derby shoes will take you places, literally. And don't forget about socks. Nothing ruins a fit more than mismatched or too long socks. Go for ankle socks or no-show socks for that sleek, clean look. The sock disaster. Alright guys, real talk, if your socks are the first thing someone notices about your outfit, you're doing it wrong. Color coordination and styling. Color is key when it comes to standing out in the best way possible. You want to make sure everything flows together. 5. The rule of 3. A simple yet effective rule in fashion is the rule of 3. Basically, you shouldn't wear more than 3 primary colors in an outfit. If you're rocking a bright red hoodie, then balance it with neutral tones like black jeans and white sneakers. This keeps things from looking overdone or too chaotic. 6. Seasonal styles. Don't wear heavy jackets in the middle of summer and don't pull out your summer shorts in the dead of winter. Understanding the seasons and how to dress for them is an easy way to look stylish without having to try too hard. Light fabrics like linen are perfect for summer, while wool and fleece will keep you cozy in the winter months. Always make sure your clothes align with the current weather. It's the first step to looking effortlessly cool. Personal grooming, the unsung hero of fashion. 7. Hair, keep it fresh. Your hair plays a huge role in your overall look, so don't ignore it. Short and clean is always a safe bet. A quick trim every few weeks goes a long way. If you prefer longer hair, just make sure it's well groomed, and doesn't look like you haven't touched it in days. And don't forget about facial hair. A neat beard or a fresh shave can make a huge difference in how you look. 8. Skin care. No, this isn't just for women, skin care is for everyone. You don't need an expensive routine, but having clean, healthy skin always adds to your appeal. A good moisturizer and sunscreen can keep your skin looking fresh and youthful. After all, clear skin means you're putting your best face forward. The fashion guru. Alright, fellas, you want to look good, but not like you've spent hours in front of the mirror. Keep it chill, unless you're actually auditioning for a movie role. Alright, guys, now you've got all the tricks to look your best, whether you're heading to a date, a party, or just chilling with your friends. Remember, it's all about the basics, confidence, and a few extra accessories to elevate your look. Follow these tips, and you'll be ready to turn heads, no sweat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on looking sharp and staying stylish. Drop a comment below with your favorite tip, or let me know if you want more fashion hacks. Thanks for hanging out, and until next time, stay stylish, my friends. Victory hand emoji.